Okay, yeah, so welcome to the part 2 of this ratio class. So we started with the part 1. If you have not done watching the part 1, please go and look for the part 1 of this video and watch, because we are moving from simple to complex. Now in this part we are going to be looking at something a little bit different from what we looked at the last time. I'll read out the question. Two partners, Alex and Ben, agreed to split their business profits in a ratio of 4:7. If the total profit for a month is $5,500, how much does Ben receive? Now, you see, there's a keyword that was introduced there. Now, we are not looking for Ben's part like we did in the previous one. So in the previous one, we are looking for one person. One person is given, we look for the other. But in this case, neither Alex nor Ben was given in the equation. So we have to look for the both of them, right? So they said how much, okay, how much does Ben receive? So we are looking for one of them, Ben's part. But if Alex's part was given, it would have been easy. We just scale to get Alex's part as we did. But now we can't scale because we don't even know what Alex's part is. But it doesn't mean that we don't have idea. In this case, remember what I said the last time. Alex's part is going to be 4 scaled, and Ben's part is going to be 7 scaled. So we can go ahead and write that, right? But now we have the keyword total. So if you scale Alex's part and you scale Ben's part and you add the both of them together, you're going to get 5,500. Makes sense, right? Because the total of their money. So Alex's money will be 4 scaled and Ben's money will be 7 scaled. Okay, so you see mathematicians do something like let this person be this, let this person. We are not going to be doing that. So let's just go ahead and say Alex's part is 4 scaled and Ben's part is 7 scaled. Scaled means to increase it to the money. We don't know the money yet, but we are just increasing it. So we scale Alex's parts to get the money. We scale Ben's parts to get the scale Ben's ratio to get the money. And we go ahead and add the both of them together. This person's money plus this person's money should definitely give us the total money that was given to them. So this is basic math. When we add them together, this gives us 11 scaled. Now we have finally gotten the culprit, which is the scale we are looking for. Remember, when we get the scale, we get our answer. Now we know that this is the scale. We are asked for Ben's part. So Ben's part is what's Ben's part? Sorry. My screen is playing with me now. So let me just scale it down a little bit. So scale. So you can see this is scaling now. Okay, so let's scale up a little bit. I think 98 is okay. Very good. So we have 500 as this number that is scaling. So it was increased 500 times. So 4 was increased 500 times, 7 was increased 500 times. So if 4 is increased 500 times, what are we going to have? So we are going to say 4 times 500. What does that give us? 2,000. So Ben received 2,000 of the money, right? That means Alex would receive 3,005. That's 7 times 5, the scaling, right? So you can see the idea is actually very simple. We do the same thing over here. Now, the keyword here that is going to give that away is total. So once we see total here, sum, the addition of their, at the end of the day, we will know that, oh, okay, so we have to get this person scaled plus this person scaled to give us the total that we are looking for. Now, in this case, we are working with apples. The same rule, we see the keyword here, total. So we are adding this time again. So what do? Repeat the process. 2 scaled, 3 scaled, add them together should give us 35. And they said how many apples are there. So we now go over to 2 times whatever we have. So let's go ahead and do the same process. 2 scaled plus, 2 scaled plus 3 scaled. Okay, so I think I didn't put that it is equal to, that should be equal to 35. Scroll up a little bit so I'll have enough space. So 2 scaled plus 3 scaled will be 5 scaled. So now we will divide, we are going to have the scaling number, that's how many times it was multiplied. So it's 7 times each of them. So we have how many apples are there. So apple is 2 scaled, 2 scaled 7 times. 2 scaled 7 times. So we are going to say 2 scaled 7 times or 2 times 7 if you prefer that. And that gives us 14. Okay, so how many apples did you receive? 14